Hello, thank you for joining me in this storytelling session. My name is Pauline Loh, and the book that I want to share with you today is this story called The Little Red Helicopter. Right, shall we start? Let's turn the page. Charlene and Kevin love going to the playground while Mum does her shopping. Kevin is always getting into trouble, but Charlene keeps an eye on him. Their favorite toy in the playground is a little red helicopter. It has a bubble cockpit, 3 fat rotor blades, and a squat tail. Here are the headsets. The wiggly blue wire connecting the headsets had snapped a long time ago. But Charlene and Kevin still had great fun pretending. And can you see the air traffic controllers here? Aren't they doing a good job? One day, Mum brought Charlene and Kevin to the store as usual. "I won't take long. Stay inside and stay safe," she said. The children whooped and sprinted towards the little red helicopter. But something's different. Let's take a good look at this helicopter, shall we? Does it look the same as the toy helicopter before this? The inside of the helicopter was the biggest surprise. There were dials upon dials and rows of buttons with blinking lights. And there were brand new headsets. There was a key in the ignition. What are the children going to do now? "No, Kevin," Charlene said. "Mum says to keep inside and keep safe." "She won't even know we're gone," Kevin says. "See, she's talking with Aunt Nellie. Yakety yak." What's Charlene going to do now? "Don't be a scaredy cat," Kevin said. "All right, a quick round and back," Charlene replied. "Here goes." Kevin reaches for the key, and what's he going to do now? You're right, he's turning it. Whop, whop, whop. What's that noise? Whop, whop, whop. Up, 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 the helicopter went. Oh, everything looks so small from up here. Can you still see the town, children? Doo-goo, 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 doo-goo. The helicopter is going over the mountains. Are these real mountains? Doo-goo, 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 doo-goo. Now the helicopter is going through the clouds. These are some pretty strange clouds. Doo-goo, 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 doo-goo. Suddenly, whoosh and whoosh! Eek! We're in the middle of an air show, Charlene said. Fighter planes swooped, looked, and made figures of 8 around them. Then they escorted them in grand style. All the people below are cheering. Who are they cheering for? That was perfect, Kevin said. No, it's dangerous. A plane almost crashed into us. Let's go home. Mum is probably looking for us now. Kevin rolled his eyes. Ugh. Children, have you ever had a sister or brother roll their eyes at you? It's very irritating, isn't it? Doo-goo, 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 doo-goo. Help! What's happening? Beep boop, beep boop. Alarms are going off one after another. Kevin must have punched the wrong buttons. The helicopter spun. panic. Charlene said, "Let me try." Charlene took over the controls and brought the helicopter to a perfect touchdown. "Charlene, Kevin, come along. Oh, why did I let you play for such a long time?" Mom always says that when she has been chatting. Charlene and Kevin hurried to help her with her bags. "Thank you for helping me back there," Kevin said. "I'm glad you're my sister." And that was the end of an exciting adventure for the children. But what's happening here? The children are back in the playground the next day. But is this the little red helicopter? Where's the bubble cockpit? Where are the fat rotor blades and the squat tail? In fact, is this even a helicopter? What kind of a vehicle do you think this is? And what kind of adventures can Charlene and Kevin go on in this ship? Right, we've come to the end of the story, but it sets us thinking, doesn't it? There are so many different kinds of playgrounds in Singapore. Shall we take a look at them? Oh, what do we have here? This is a rocket ship. Where are the places we can go in a rocket ship? Outer space? The moon? Mars? Wow, that's great. Let's turn the page. Oh, we can't go many places in this teacup. It's a teacup merry-go-round. What it can do is just spin you around until you feel silly, isn't it? Let's take a look at the next playground, shall we? Oh, on this playground, you can only go up. It looks easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? But not true. It gets scarier the higher you go. Yeah. Now let's take a look at the next picture, the next playground. Boom! Here's a gunship. And look at those cannons. Do they fire real missiles? Well, you've got to go there in order to find out. And the only thing I can tell you is that this gunship is somewhere in the northern part of Singapore. Right, we've come to the end of our storytelling session, and I'm all excited to hear about your adventures in the playgrounds that you go to. Will you write to me and tell me about your adventures here at this email address? Alright. Thank you for spending this time with me. My name is Pauline Loh. Please follow me for another storytelling session. Bye!